What's up, members? Let's talk about three stocks that I'm interested in right now. Tempest AI, we were talking about this in the WAP earlier. We have this support around $51, and it is proven to hold once again. We had a beautiful bounce this morning. Look at this off 51.50, bouncing up all the way up to 53.60. I think this is something you need to pay attention to. It's up 4% right there. When you zoom out on the 6-month chart, we were breaking down this level right here. You can see there is support right here, support right there, support right there, boom, boom. Rejection right here. This is the big part. When you see this rejection, it was supporting the whole time. Rejection right there, rejection right there. The next time it breaks through and now it's starting to go back, this is where you get your buyers coming in. This is something I'm very interested in. I think you should pay attention to as we move forward. Second stock I want you guys to pay attention to, look at Netflix right now. Netflix pulling back from its earnings. Now, you know it's been a drag pretty much, but pulling all the way back from 108 all the way down to $91, down 16% since earnings. What is it running into? This support level right over here at $89.75 is the low of this. I want you to pay attention to this level. Let's see how it reacts when it gets down to about $90 per share. We've been talking about this, a potential swing trade back up, a realistic one. You can cut your loss below 90, but a move back up to $100 per share is a 9 to 10% move, something I would pay attention to. All right, last but not least, ServiceNow stock, ticker symbol N0W. I would pay attention to these guys. They had higher lows right here. If you look, we had that massive pullback from earnings, $80 per share, sold off, went all the way up to 106, earnings hits, boom, goes back to 83. It's making a higher low now. So for me, I'm paying attention to this. I'm watching this to see, will we get a retest back up to about $98, $99 per share. That's an 8% move. I would be watching these levels. We are starting to turn around on this. We are making higher lows. This is something to pay attention to, and make sure that when you're trading this, is now stock going to hold $88 per share? That is something I will be paying attention to. Let's see what we get tomorrow. Do we get that pullback to $88 and then blast back up? We got to watch and see. If you want to take it up to the next level, this is my channel, Trading Simplified. Be sure to please check out the link. You can join our trading community if you want. And I also made a day trading blueprint. I'm up over $50,000 this year. It's only 4 months into the year. If you want to check it out, click on this beginner's guide, and also basically my exact day trading setup. So be sure to check that out as well. And if you're looking to join membership and support the channel, click on the tab here and you'll gain access to and members first only videos as well. All right, I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching the channel.